In the summer of 1957, a 17-year-old Mario Andretti began building his first race car, a 1948 Hudson stock car. With the help of his twin brother, Aldo, and a group of friends, they gathered parts, bought a new engine and rebuilt the car from the ground up. 2 years later it was finished, and in 1959 the Andretti brothers won their first 2 races. Andretti and his friends pooled their money to buy a new crate motor from Whitney Company, which made race-tuned engines specifically designed for Hudson stock cars. The engine was called the 7X and was engineered with a single-carburetted straight-six design. Andretti chose the 48 Hudson because of its reputation within the growing sport of NASCAR, where Marshall Teague was driving it with much success. The car's design lent itself well to racing because of its low center of gravity, unibody frame and torsional rigidity, all of which improved the car's handling on dirt tracks. Mario Andretti's 1948 Hudson became the stepping stone to a legendary career that would span 4 decades and see him win championship races in every major class of car, from F1, IndyCar, NASCAR and the World Sports Car Championship. This continued success and longevity in the sport contributed to the Associated Press and Racer magazine naming him Driver of the Century.